students. How are you today? You are welcome to Cradle2Harvard Online School. Today, we are looking at the subject Agricultural Science, and my name is Mrs. Onuche Gloria. The topic we're handling today is fishery. Remember we treated this topic in our last class, and under it, we looked at the definition of fishery, the morphology of fish, and the classification of fish. Still under this same topic, we will be looking at other aquatic animals, fish products, uses of fish and fish products, and also we will look at the systems of fishery. Then, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to mention other aquatic animals apart from fish. Also, to list fish products and to also state at least 5 importance of fish. And you are to also list and explain 3 major systems of fishery in Nigeria. Now let's look at the other aquatic organisms. There are many other aquatic organisms that are living inside water apart from fish, which are used as food by man. Number 1, we have the crustaceans. There are these shellfish. Examples, we have the prawns, the shrimps, we have the crayfish, the lobsters, and the crabs. Number 2, we have reptiles. They are river snakes, turtles, and crocodiles. Then we also have mammals living in water. We have the whales, hippopotamus, dolphins, seals, and porpoises. Number 4, we have the mollusks. That's the river snails, the periwinkles, oyster, squid, clam, and octopus. Now let's look at the pictures of some of these things. We have the prawn here. We have the prawn here. Look at the crocodiles. That is the reptiles. We have the whale. That is the mammal. We also have the hippopotamus, the mammals. Then let's look at the products of fish. Fish products includes the following. Fish products include the following. We have the scales, the fish skin, oil, bones, shell, and the rest of them. Now, uses of fish, fish products, and other aquatic food organisms. Fish is high in demand for health today because it is it has low cholesterol. That is, the unsaturated fats. So number 1 use of fish is fish and other aquatic animals are important source of animal proteins, minerals, and vitamins that are essential for normal growth and development. Then we also have number 2, fish production also provide raw materials for industries, like the skin from fish can be used in leather industry for production of bags, shoes, belts, etc. Then number 3, we have fish providing employment of opportunity for people, like the fish farmers, the fish sellers in the market, the attendants that are working on fish farm are all employed under fishery. Number 4, fish and its parts may be processed into fish meal, which is an essential ingredient in most animal feed. For example, in layers, the one that produce egg, they need reasonable amounts of calcium to be able to form the egg. So the bones from fish is part of their feed. Then number 5, the bones of fish can also be crushed and processed into fertilizers. Then number 6, fish ponds and aquaria. Aquaria is a plural form of aquarium. Can provide entertainment, and also it can be used as instructional facility for students of agriculture. Then number 7, fish and other aquatic food organisms are taken today by many because of low cholesterol, like I have said earlier, and it helps in reducing high blood pressure and obesity. Now, the systems of fishery. There are 3 major systems of fishery in Nigeria. These are the small-scale fisheries, the large-scale fisheries, and we have the aquaculture. Then under the small-scale fishery, it is commonly practiced by fishermen that live in fishing camps along the banks of the river, in the ponds or streams, or along the coast of the sea. Small-scale fisheries are very important because between 50 to 90% of all the fish consumed in the country come from it. Are you following? Now, let's look at some features of small-scale fisheries. They are: A, the fishermen use simple equipment like the nets, the hooks, the baskets, and the rest of them. Then B, they catch the fish by simple methods. They use simple method by catching them, either going to the side of the river under some plankton to catch the fish, or drop their net at a specific spot to catch the fish. Then C, they catch small quantity of fish. Now the next one, okay, before then, you can now see, look at this picture. This is a small-scale fishery. You can see the canoe and the fishermen in it. They have cast the net already. They are carrying it from the river with lots of fishes, though it is small in number compared to a large-scale fishery. Then we also have 2 fishermen here in a canoe. One is paddling it, another one is casting the nets. Then the next one is large-scale or industrial fishery. This practice involves catching fish using large boats, and this large boat is called what? Trawler. They are all called trawlers. Then where are they catching it from? This large boat is from the natural water bodies. Are you following me? Okay. Now look at some of the features of large-scale fishery. It is carried out on large inland rivers, that is river lakes, and in the ocean. Then another one, it involves the use of complicated and expensive equipment. Then the third one, it is expensive to set and also to operate. Then a large quantity of aquatic animals are caught when you are using trawlers. Look at the picture of the trawler here. You can see it on water, very massive. Everything is controlled here by this equipment in catching the fish from the ocean. Now, the third one is the aquaculture. This is otherwise known as fish farming. It is the practice of rearing fish and other aquatic animals or organisms in artificial water bodies like the fish pond. Aquaculture majorly produces fish in large quantity for eating, and it also produces beautiful colored fish for home aquaria. Now, look at the picture of some of the ponds and the aquarium. This is the eating pond. You can see the farmer there, or the attendants. They are attending to the fishes in the pond. Then these are the concrete ponds here. This pipe you see here is the water inlet. The water outlet is hidden. Then look at another eating pond with colorful fishes here for entertainment. Then we have aquarium here containing colorful fishes also for entertainment or for home decoration. Then you can see these are some of the tools that are used in fishing. This is baskets. You can see they are made of different products or materials. This is from wood, and this one is from thread. It's called fishing line. Then we have the hook here. This is one type of hook. This is another type of hook. These are used in fishing. So we have come to the end of today's lesson. So you take this assignment, do it, and then submit to my WhatsApp. Number 1, list 3 categories of other aquatic organisms apart from fish and give 2 examples each. Number 2, state 4 products of fish that are of economic importance. Number 3, list 6 importance of fish to man. And then the last one, which is number 4, list and explain 3 major systems of fishery in Nigeria. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.